everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a trending AI photo edit, the cinematic fantasy warrior effects using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool. It's super easy, no Photoshops needed, just one prompt and your photo that will look like it's from a fantasy movie poster. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also tap on the tools icon and then create images like this. This is a brand new feature powered by Nano Banana, which lets you transform photo instantly just using just a text prompt. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just choose a clear portrait, preferably one with good lighting and visible facial details. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. And after that, let's come to the fun part. Let's type a prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, but just feel free. You can tweak the details if you want, maybe change the color of the robe or the background, but keep the structure similar for best result. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then just paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, there it is, your own fantasy style cinematic portrait made completely by AI. The texture, the lighting, and the glowing blue eye details, it's insane how realistic it looks. And okay, that's it, the warrior AI photo effect using Google Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!